Hello and welcome back to Lovely Jen Lifestyle. Today I have a special guest with me. You've seen her before. She's my niece.
Hi, I'm Brianna.
This is Lovely Brianna, so everybody in my channel is just lovely. Let's see how good she does. She's been wanting to do my makeup, so I'm gonna let her. She's nervous. I'm nervous.
So I'm gonna use the Makeup
Do not
Forever
mess me up. Like
hydrating primer, and you
show
can put it
them.
on.
Let me. As our first step. So you're gonna be applying this spray. It says apply a thin even layer all over the face and allow to dry. So we'll be applying this from the Bare Minerals. Okay. Oh my god. Okay.
Apparently that's how we're getting out of this. Wait, no.
It said a little bit.
It's a little bit. A little goes a long way. And don't come at me for how I'm doing this, because I know I'm doing it probably wrong. I don't do this daily.
Well, when you do apply anything on your face, you want to use these two fingers because they don't have as much strength as the pointer finger does. So you want to be smooth on your face when you are applying stuff on your face, even if it's like hydrating lotion, makeup, foundation, or whatever you're applying to your face.
So now we're gonna go in.
You gotta let it dry.
Okay. It's gonna dry. You show this up. I'm gonna use the
powder slash foundation from Bare Minerals. It's BarePro, and I am a Toffee 19. Yes. If you use your sponge, honestly, it wastes your powder foundation. If you use a brush, it doesn't waste it as much, but I can say that the sponge does give you more of a cover-up. So that's why I use a sponge.
look over here. And her best friend gave her this.
She gave me this Jaclyn Hill Palette, Morephe, which I am going to use today. And let me show you guys my best friend. Don't get jealous, y'all. Y'all my friends, and you know, I just said it's my best friend, but I have more than one best friend. But so far, she's been my best friend since high school. And here you have it. This is my best friend, Lily. She's the one that gave me the palette. This is her as a baby. This is when we were in high school and stuff. And that's me. And I also have this Coco Chanel. A girl should be two things, classy and fabulous, Coco Chanel. And Lily's the classy one here because she got her little hat. And I'm the fabulous because look at me with my fur coat. That's 90s style. So the eye, you're going to do this. You're going to paint this one stroke here. That's going to be a solid color. Okay? And then right here, you could do another color that's a little bit darker. And then right here, you add a more darker color at the edge. And right here, you put like a light color so that it can make it your eyebrow pop. to use shimmer on my, what is it called, eyeshadow? Like the shimmery ones, the glittery ones. But the first color I put is usually a solid one. And then I'll add the shimmer. So I add solid, then shimmer. Then a toner, like if I do a smokier.
That looks good on camera. Oh, I cannot see. I am so sorry I'm not showing you which ones I'm using, but we'll get to that later.
Show them what you use on the palette.
For the lid, and then for the outer corner on that one, I used these two. So I mixed this one with this one, and then to make it a little bit darker, I mixed this one with this one and put that one on the outer corner too, or the, I guess that's what it's called. And then I just mixed this one and this one on the lid to make it a little darker because it was looking really bright.
So she did use all solid shadows. I usually use solid with glitter, mix it up. So this is something new for me. I haven't seen the final product, but I'm excited to see. Based on the colors she did show you guys, those are the colors I actually use on my eyelids to keep it natural, not too dark. So I'm pretty sure she did a really good job, and I haven't seen the final product yet of the whole makeup tutorial, so I'm excited to see what all of this is gonna come out. So she's doing pretty good for her first time. So let's see what happens after this. What's next, Brie? Okay, you guys, so this is the final product of the eyeshadow that Brianna just did. Lovely Brie. I use this Kat Von D Lolita number 2. This is one of my favorite mattes. These are just one of my favorite mattes. The only thing it does, it really does dry out your lips, but it looks really good. Like the pigmentation, and actually lasts long and stuff like that. So that's what we use. So if you guys want makeup tutorial videos, because I know they're super popular on YouTube, just let me know. This is my niece doing my makeup for me, and I'm sort of guiding her. It was her first time doing makeup, but I can totally help you guys if you guys need help with doing makeup. I'm not an expert. I just know what goes well with my skin tone, and my recommendation is finding what goes well with you. Not because you necessarily see it online or because you see it in a tutorial, it's gonna go well with you. You have to see what colors, what shades of tone look good on your skin, and just own it and make it yours. Okay, lovely, stay in touch and hit the like button if you like this video. Comment down below if you enjoy watching this and would like to continue watching more makeup tutorials or skincare products that I use on my skin, and just let me know. What else can I say? Nieces, eyelashes on,
and I look like Bobo the Fool. I really do.
No, you don't. So it's her first time wearing these strip-on lashes.
They are the Ardell Wispy lashes.
They look super cute, and her mom's gonna kill me when she sees this video. So if you're watching this, sister, well, at least she got her lashes done with me, not with no one else. Yep. So this was our little tutorial, you guys. Like, share, and subscribe to Lovely Jen Lifestyle. Bye.
Bye.
Peace. I'm just